Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install pgadmin 4 on Fedora Linux 41 or 40. Then we will see how to connect to PostgreSQL. So first open any web browser, then go to pgadmin official website, that is pgadmin.org. See here, pgadmin is the most popular feature-rich open source administration and development platform for PostgreSQL. Okay, so click on download. See, for Fedora we have to click on this RPM. Click on it. See here, you can install pgadmin on any one of these Fedora Linux operating systems. Okay, scroll down. See here, we have the list of the commands that needs to be executed. On Fedora Linux server, we have to run this command. On Rocky or Alma or Red Hat CentOS operating systems, we have to execute this command. So we are going to install pgadmin on Fedora Linux. So copy this entire command, select it, copy it, open terminal. Paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user. Now we have to run these commands. See here, we have two modes, desktop and web mode. If you want to install both the modes, we have to run this command. If you want to install only desktop mode, we have to run this one. If you want to install web mode, we have to run this command. Okay, so I want to install both the modes. So run this command, sudo m install pgadmin 4. There is no space between pgadmin and 4. Hit enter, type and hit enter. See, it is going to install the pgadmin 4 version number 9. Okay, type and hit enter. And it is installing these dependencies. This is web 1 and this is desktop edition. See, we have successfully installed Ctrl L to clear screen. Now if we go to menu, show applications. See here we have the pgadmin 4. This is the desktop edition. Click on it. See, now we got the pgadmin desktop application. Right click on servers, then select register and server, or click on add new server. Both are same. Now here we have to provide the connection name. Can be anything, pg17.4, because I have installed PostgreSQL 17.4. Okay, then go to connection. Here we have to provide the server name or IP address of the machine where we have installed a PostgreSQL server. I have installed PostgreSQL on this PC, so I am giving localhost. In your case, give the localhost, or if it is installed on remote PC, then we have to give the remote IP or host name. Then maintenance database Postgres, username also Postgres, then provide the password of this user. If you don't know how to install PostgreSQL 17.4 on Fedora Linux, you can search for my YouTube channel, or how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.4. Click on save. See, we have successfully connected. Expand it. Expand databases. See, I have a database with the name bank. Go to login. See here, we have the list of the logins. Right click on any database. Okay, if you want to run the queries against database, right click, select query to. Here we can run the queries. Select it, execute it. See, we got the output. Okay, this is GUI tool, the another tool. So for that, first we have to run this command. So copy it, go to the terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of this user, hit enter. Now provide email ID. Mail ID can be anything. Then set the password. We have to remember this password and user, which is required to connect to pgadmin web mode. It will populate the URL to connect to pgadmin 4. Type yes for, see, Apache web server is not running, so type I and hit enter. All done. See, this is the URL to connect to pgadmin through web mode. Copy it. Go to here, new tab. Paste it, hit enter. Now give the email address that we have given. Then click on login. See, we got the same console like desktop mode. Right click on servers, register, then server. Then give pg17.4 web mode. Then go to connection tab. localhost, port number 5432, main database name, but here we have to change the username. Postgres, provide the password, click on save. See, we have successfully connected, expand it, expand databases. See, here we have the same database. Right click, query tool, they are none the same, select query. Execute it. See, we got the same output. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install pgadmin4 on Fedora Linux 41. As I told you, the process is same on all Fedora Linux operating systems. Then we have connected to PostgreSQL server by using both the modes, web mode and desktop mode. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.